Hi, and welcome back to All Baking Bootcamp. I'm your host, nutritionist Mia Rigdon, and today we're going to be making a two-step dairy-free Dole Whip. I was recently in Hawaii with my family and I discovered Dole Whip. There was a sign at the local acai truck for this dairy-free pineapple soft serve, which really had my name all over it, and we had some almost every day. This recipe is simple. It only has 4 ingredients. So the classic Dole Whip would be your vanilla ice cream, some pineapple juice, and some frozen pineapple chunks, but we are taking it up a notch today and we're adding some fresh ginger as well. Okay, so the process for making our dairy-free Dole Whip is simple. So we're just gonna add all these ingredients into our high-speed blender, blend it until smooth, and then we're gonna let it set in the freezer for a minute before piping it into our glasses. So I'm gonna start with our ice cream. I am using a dairy-free vanilla ice cream here. Then we've got 3/4 of a cup of pineapple juice, 2 cups of frozen pineapple, and of course, our ginger. All right, now let's get blending. You wanna use a really powerful blender here because we're not using a whole lot of liquid. All right, let's check, see how we're doing here. All right. This is actually looking perfect. As you can see, the texture is very soft serve-esque, and you could absolutely just put this into a bowl and enjoy it right now. But we wanna get that nice soft serve piping effect. So I am gonna throw this in the freezer for about 20 minutes, and then we're gonna put it in a piping bag and pipe it out so that we get that nice look of soft serve. Okay, so I spooned our Dole Whip into this piping bag, which I fitted with a star tip, and then it's ice cream, so it's cold. So I'm using a towel and I'm gonna pipe it into these bowls. It piped out really well. It looks just like I'm at some frozen yogurt place getting soft serve. I love the little pineapple garnish, it's super fun. That looks so good. The vanilla in the ice cream pairs perfectly with the ginger and the pineapple. It's just perfect for a hot day. Super refreshing, sweet, and delicious. And I love how it was just 2 steps. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget the full recipe is written in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to Well+Good's YouTube channel so you don't miss an episode of All Baking Bootcamp. See you next time.